You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, I know the spelling makes it super confusing, but let's break it down. Loitering. Loitering. You want to stress on that first syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here, so it's pretty straightforward once you know loitering. English pronunciation, how to pronounce loitering, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.